Imagine unlocking the secret to crafting an exceptional PTE essay. Today we're shining a spotlight on that very process. From understanding the task to the final review, we'll guide you every step of the way. Firstly, the key to success lies in understanding the task. Reading the essay prompt carefully is crucial. Are you supposed to express an opinion, discuss a topic, or analyze a situation? Recognize the type of essay you're required to write to provide a focused response. Next comes planning. Dedicate a few minutes to brainstorming and outlining your essay. This roadmap of introduction, body, and conclusion will ensure clarity and coherence. Remember, a well-structured plan is your first step towards a successful essay. Now let's move to the introduction. To captivate your reader's attention, your introduction must clearly introduce the topic and provide a concise thesis statement. This sets the tone for your essay. For body paragraphs, focus each one on a specific point. Begin with a topic sentence, then follow with supporting details and examples. A logical progression between paragraphs is crucial to building your argument or discussing key aspects. Language usage is another critical factor. Prioritize clarity over complexity, using clear and cohesive language. Showcase your vocabulary, but remember, cohesive devices are your friends in connecting ideas and ensuring a smooth flow. When providing examples and evidence, remember to support your points with relevant facts or personal experiences. These add credibility to your essay and make your arguments more convincing. If required, address counter-arguments. Acknowledge opposing perspectives and explain why your position is stronger. This demonstrates a nuanced understanding of the topic. In your conclusion, summarize your main points. Restate your thesis in a different way and provide a closing statement that leaves a lasting impression. Your conclusion should tie all the elements of your essay together. Time management is vital in PTE essays. Keep a close eye on the time and allocate wisely. This ensures you can cover all sections without rushing. After finishing your essay, take a few minutes to review and revise. Check for any grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Ensure your ideas are well organized and your essay is polished. Finally, be mindful of the word count requirement. Stick to the specified limit, as exceeding it may result in point deductions. In summary, crafting a successful PTE essay involves understanding the task, planning, writing a captivating introduction, clear body paragraphs, using clear language, providing examples, addressing counter-arguments, concluding effectively, managing time, revising, and adhering to the word count. And there you have it. Crafting a stellar essay is within your reach. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more PTE tips and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to happy writing and best of luck on your PTE journey.